Hello friends and welcome back. In this lecture we are going to discuss about auto boxing and unboxing feature in Java. So this was a feature which was laterly introduced into Java, and this feature has functionality like if there is a primitive data type and we want to convert into its wrapper automatically. So this process is called as auto boxing. So auto boxing is a process by which a primitive value is converted into its object form in wrapper class, its corresponding wrapper. So then that is the process of autoboxing. So autoboxing is done when we will pass the particular method in a method variable in a method, and when we assign a variable to a particular variable, at that time also the autoboxing will happen. So it will be like boxing the particular primitive type into its corresponding wrapper. That will happen. The reverse process of converting a wrapper back into its primitive form is called as unboxing in Java. So this is also done when we pass it in a parameter as parameter, and when we assign a particular value, that time also auto unboxing will be done. So let us see some programs based on auto boxing and unboxing in Java. So let us see a program based on wrapper classes in Java and with auto boxing and unboxing feature. So here we can see in this program I have declared a sum method which is taking the wrapper objects. So I will use this method to get the sum of two numbers, and this will take a wrapper class integer values as its parameters and return two values which is wrapped to back to the particular uh, integer return type, and that's how that method is. Now let us see the main method of this program. So in this main method I am demonstrating the auto boxing as well as unboxing feature. So the auto boxing feature first I will and I will explain. So here you can see I have declared a variable of int, and I am initially another declared another variable of b. So when I am assigning a b and a, then that time the auto boxing will happen. So automatically the primitive data type will be boxed to its corresponding wrapper. So that is the process of auto boxing. And next we will explain about unboxing in Java. So unboxing process you can see here I declare a double variable, and that variable is assigned back to its primitive. So at that time the unboxing will happen. So when during assignment operation this unboxing will automatically happen. So we don't need to explicitly or we don't need to do anything to convert the types. Java compiler will automatically convert these types. In before JDK 5 it was not available. So after JDK 5 this feature was introduced. So before JDK 5 we have to handle this kind of scenarios by manually using the value of method and getting the particular value and then equating the value back to the primitive. Like that we have to handle, but now the compiler will handle this specific case. And the finally I am using the sum method to show you that in while parameter passing also this auto boxing will happen. So when we pass a particular where they are expecting um, a wrapper as a parameter, there you will can pass the primitive as a parameter also. So that's why that boxing will happen automatically, and that's how this feature is there in Java. So let us see the output of this program. So here you can see the output as came. The values are printing correctly, and that is it for this section on autoboxing and unboxing. In this lecture, we have seen about this feature of autoboxing and unboxing, which is a feature which was introduced after JDK 5, which allows us to have automatic conversion between the primitive and its corresponding wrapper. So this is a good feature to understand. So thank you for watching this lecture. Please continue watching the series.